Hello everyone. Welcome to BASM 5111, Unit 1, Lesson 1, Introduction to Business Management. I am Mr. Tumelo Mraka, Lecturer of Business Management with the IIE Rosebank College. In this lesson, we will explore the fundamental concepts and principles of business management. Whether you are an aspiring entrepreneur or simply are interested in understanding how business operates, this lesson will provide you with a solid foundation in the world of business management. Let's get started. Before we dive into the specifics, let's begin by understanding what a business and business management is all about. A business is an organization or economic system where goods and services are exchanged for one another or for money. Business management, therefore, involves the process of planning, organizing, leading, and controlling resources to achieve organizational goals. It involves a wide range of activities. Businesses come in all shapes and sizes, ranging from small startups to multinational businesses, from being profit to non-profit focused, and also from being formal to being informal. Businesses usually operate in two sectors in terms of their formation, namely formal and informal sector. The formal sector normally refers to businesses that are registered with authorities such as the South African Revenue Services, CIPC, and are liable for paying tax. For example, businesses such as Steers or Standard Bank can be regarded as formal. The informal sector, on the other hand, refers to businesses that are not registered and do not pay tax. Their activities are usually not monitored. This includes businesses such as street vendors. Both sectors are important as they are dependent on each other for driving economic activity, and sometimes informal sector businesses can evolve to become formal businesses. Ever wondered at the type of needs that are satisfied within the community or communities? Well, need-satisfying organizations exist to address different needs that individuals have on a daily basis. With that being said, let's take a closer look at need-satisfying organizations within the formal sector. Number one, for-profit business. These refer to organizations whose primary goal is to profit by converting factors of production into products and services. This includes private organizations such as cell phone companies, restaurants, or listed businesses such as Advertech. Number two, state-owned enterprises, also called government organizations, refer to those organizations that serve the needs of the community through government interventions, such as the SAPS, PRASA, municipalities. And number three, non-profit organizations represents organizations that are started on a social cause by addressing some of the issues that exist in society, for example, gender-based violence, charity, or giving to the less privileged. In order for businesses to run, there are certain elements that need to be present for a business to be carried out. These elements include humans who take the form of entrepreneurs who have ideas and staff or employees. The profit and loss element also, as a motive covers both for non-profit and profit organization. The element of exchange, which highlights the relationship between the business and customers. For example, the customer is one who purchases the product and the business receives cash as payment for the product bought. Goods and services that are produced through the factors of production, such as capital, natural and human resources. The economic framework in which businesses operate in a nation can be regarded as economic systems. The type of economy or economic system of a country determines how much control individuals have in business and how much control the government has. There are several types of economic systems. These include traditional economic system, command economy system, market economy system, and mixed economy system. Knowing the differences between all economic systems will help an entrepreneur's decision in determining which nation they can invest in or start their business in. For example, the traditional economic system refers to an economic system that functions by embracing the old way of doing things from generation to generation. Meanwhile, the command economy system refers to nations whose government or state is in control of the production of products or services and methods of production. For example, countries such as North Korea, east of Germany, are examples of nations who use this type of economy system. The market economy system, on the other hand, which at times can be referred to as the capitalistic economy system, is one such system that encourages private ownership and entrepreneurship with less government interventions. For example, an individual can start and grow their business internationally. Lastly, the mixed economy system, which is a combination of all the above mentioned economic systems. There are features of command, traditional, and market economy. For an example, our country, South Africa, is a practical example of a mixed economy, as some key sectors are led by the state, such as Eskom, Transnet, and Post Office. The introduction of new technology, such as artificial intelligence, data science, augmented realities, and software development in the business environment has raised the bar for business sustainability. Managers or entrepreneurs are faced with endless questions as new technology impacts their businesses. Questions such as what opportunities and risks they should be aware of as technology changes occur. How will their vision, mission, and values and strategies be affected? Answering these questions will help managers adapt themselves to the nature of the changing business environment. As we recap, today we have managed to look at what business organizations entail, formal versus informal sector, elements of business, economic systems, and aspects of industrial revolutions. We have come to the end of our lesson. I hope you have managed to gain understanding and knowledge of the key concepts that were highlighted during the discourse of our lesson. Till we meet again.